Now for people who knows what tornado is, what I have here is a machine. Not just any machine. This will demonstrate how different stages of tornadoes take place. I always use the Fachicha scale, which is very, very popular back when I was young. Now, I'm going to turn on this machine. Here are the exact... Now, what you're about to see are examples of the formations of tornadoes. Ready? Here you go. This is what an F0 will look like. Increase the number and you'll get an F1. I'll just increase it for a little bit and you'll see, and you will demonstrate different stages of tornadoes. This is F2. Now I'll be increasing it, and you'll demonstrate if I'm entering the next scale of the tornado. Here is F3. You can tell by the intensity of the tornado, it's getting strong. It will tell how strong it is. Here's an F4, which is right now. This is an F4 tornado. Now I'm going to increase it and see how terrifying an F5 would be, okay? There you go. And that's a demonstration how different tornadoes form on this particular machine.